Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this pattern, but they're having a couple of problems. If we take a box and hold down the control button and make it square, and then if we go, you know what, I'm going to make it 4 inches by 4 inches. My ratio is locked, so I just have to type in one of them. The smaller you are, the less memory, I guess, it takes up when we contour this. We're going to go from there to there, from node to node, and I'm going to fill in that. Now, I'm going to control D and make a duplicate of that, because sometimes when you go to effects and contour, when you have to set your colors in your inside and outside, it's going to change. I've already got mine set for what I want. I'm going to the inside. I actually typed in 0.001, but it reads a 0, and the fill is going to be that light color. Now, here's his problem. There's no rotation. So what you have to do to rotate this guy is go to bitmap and convert it to a bitmap. And if you use RGB, make sure this is on RGB. If you use CMYK, make sure you use the same color. Now we're going to control D and make a duplicate and move the center rotation of that midpoint and rotate it 90 degrees. And then control D, control D. Now I would group this together, and let's make it, for somehow it's 401. And then just set your nudge factor on 4 inches and make this pattern. And make as many as you like. Since it's square, the up and down is the same. Now we do have some lines, so we can do two things. We can put some blue lines. We can put some black line. Well, it's not even letting me do that. Because really there's no lines there. It's just a separation. So if those lines are going to bug him, we can do this. Let's take away all these but the top one. And let's change our nudge factor to 3.97. And now let's get the plus key. And now I have no line because we're overcompensating the nudge in not having that space. That's pretty cool. I like the pattern because at first you just see the 4, but when you do this, there's like 8. And then you could see other things. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.